Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I have picked all of my favorite gift ideas from Amazon and I'm going to list all the links below. I'm going to go over them in detail with you guys and I hope that it inspires you to find the perfect gift for your loved ones this holiday season. I have personally picked all of the items myself, so I hope it gives you some inspiration. Let's get into it. To kick things off, the first item that I wanted to mention was a gift card. This is the perfect gift for somebody that is hard to shop for or somebody who simply just has everything they already need. I know you're gonna say it seems impersonal, but it's not impersonal. They get to personally choose a gift that they either just really wanted or needed. You could get them an Amazon gift card, which I would love. The opportunities are endless on there. There's so many options. You could get it to their favorite restaurant. You could get it, if they're a coffee lover, to Starbucks. You could get them a prepaid Visa. The options are endless. And this next tip that I'm gonna give you, I actually can't take credit for. My best friend Katie Cakes advised me that if you take the gift card and you put it in a gift box and then you wrap it, or you take the gift card, you put it in a little box, and then you put it in a gift bag with some tissue paper, it elevates the gift, gives it a more personal, thoughtful touch, and they still get to experience the surprise of opening a gift and finding what's inside. Next up, I wanted to share gifts that are both stylish and high quality and thoughtful. So the first thing that I wanted to bring up was the gold-plated initial necklace I have on. I also have it linked here. Mine actually came in two separate pieces with the herringbone gold choker and then the initial necklace. Regardless, I love these pieces, but the nice thing is I actually found them in a trio pack where you also get the paperclip necklace as well. I have it linked here for you guys. Super great quality. Because they are 18 karat gold plated, they don't tarnish when you put them in water. I've had mine for actually a year now and they are still in pristine condition. This next item I think would be great for any man in your life. It is a cozy sweater. Who doesn't need more sweaters, especially when it's cold? I picked one that is stylish yet still cozy, but doesn't have that frumpy vibe. I like that it has some texture in it. It comes in a variety of colors, and I like the little details of the little leather patches that it has on the drawstrings. So I thought that this would be a great item. It comes in a variety of sizes, and it's just a great gift for him because I feel like it's always hard to find a gift for the men in our lives. Something that is super on trend right now brings me to my next item. Puffer jackets, puffer vests are super on trend and functional because, again, if you live anywhere that's slightly cooler, like I do, it's nice to feel cozy, dry, and warm. So I really enjoy this puffer vest. It's kind of cropped. It comes in a variety of colors as well. I just happen to really like the chocolate brown one. And it has like these little drawstrings at the bottom, and it's super affordable. So I think that any woman in your life would also enjoy this item as much as I do. Another great gift idea is tech gadgets. I was super excited about this item when I came across it because it's a tablet, but it also comes with a variety of accessories and it was super affordable. So you get the tablet, you also get a wireless mouse, a wireless keyboard, a stylo pen, and a stand for the tablet, all bundled up into one nice little accessorized gift. It's gonna be appreciated by anybody who couldn't use another tablet in their life. The next tech gadget that I was excited about was this electric wine opener. Who doesn't need an electric wine opener? It's not something that you think of getting yourself, but it is super thoughtful for anybody who drinks wine. You could get it for him, you could get it for her. It comes with 2 stoppers and an aerator. The gift just keeps on giving. It is such a nice little touch. And if you wanted to elevate it a little bit and get something to pair with it, you could also pair it with these nice stemless wine glasses. I have these wine glasses myself. They are dishwasher safe and they work great for both red and white wine. Okay, this next gift is also a tech gadget that I feel is necessary for absolutely anybody. It is a wireless charging dock for your phone. It also has a portable Bluetooth speaker on it that sits on the dock, but then you can pick it up and move it to whatever room you're in. It also has a light that does the same thing that you can then pick up and move to whatever room you're in. It has a very slim, modern, aesthetically pleasing look, but it's packed with a bunch of functionality that it's just the perfect techie gift for anybody. For the book lovers on your list, a book or an ebook by their favorite author is a perfect gift idea for them. Whether they like romance, sci-fi, thrillers, there's gonna be the perfect book out there for them. You could even choose a new release from their favorite author or a classic that they may have missed. This next item you could buy on its own or pair it with the book, because who doesn't need another throw blanket? I picked this one because it comes in a variety of colors for anybody's home decor needs. I also just really liked the detail that came on it. It's machine washable and it just looks super fleecy and cozy, and who doesn't like to cozy up on a couch with a good book and a blanket? These next few items I feel like are great for a family or a larger household, or even just a small family that's just like a young starting out couple. I think that board games are a good bonding type of item to have in a household. And right now, I know that there's like this big craze around chess. The Queen's Gambit recently came out, and I know a lot of people really liked that show, so why not get a chessboard? It's great mental stimulation, it's great fun for the whole family, it's not overly time consuming because you can play really short games or you can play longer matches as well. And they also come in so many different color options. I picked this one here, but there is a variety that you could pick that just go really nicely with your home decor, whether that be modern or classic. There's a chessboard out there for everyone's fun needs as well as decor needs. The next item is one that just keeps on giving, an air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer yet, you need one. I got my air fryer last year for Christmas. It is this Corsari one right here, and it is phenomenal. The amount of things that you can make in there are unbelievable, and it just cooks things so quickly. It makes everything super crisp yet juicy. It also comes with a little recipe book, and there's an abundance of air fryer recipes online. I even actually made a YouTube video of one of the recipes that I thoroughly enjoy. So yes, an air fryer is a great gift. You can also get this one in particular in white and black, so it can suit your kitchen decor as well. So the next item on the list is for your fuzzy little companions. I picked this item because I personally have 2 dogs. Whether you have a cat, a dog, a rabbit, make sure you don't exclude your fuzzy little friends. Their lives are shorter than ours, and we want to make sure we spoil them while we have them. So the item that I picked is this pack of 4 plushy dog toys. They have no stuffing in them, but they do have a squeaker, which kept them entertained for hours on end. And I'm sure that your fuzzy little friend would appreciate getting a gift this holiday season as well. These last few items are for the thrill seekers in your life. They aren't really tangible items, but they are more like experiences. You could get your loved one a ticket to their favorite sporting event. You could take them for a hot air balloon ride. You could get them a course, like prepay for a course for them, whether it be cooking or some other sort of online course. You would know what their interests are best. But these type of gifts leave them with either a skill or a long-term memory. So it's kind of like another gift that just kind of keeps on giving, but they are an intangible item. So I thought that these would be great to add because they are last-minute gift ideas of which you can plan out with your loved one. And if you want to make it so that they have something to open, since these are going to have to be set at a later date, you basically could just do the coupon idea where you like make a little handwritten ticket on a piece of paper and put in a little gift box or in a gift bag, kind of like you would with a gift card, so that when they open it up, they still have like the element of surprise of what's inside, and then they realize that they get this gift of which will be set at a later date, but it's gonna bring lots of new experiences and joy to come. That pretty much sums up my last minute holiday gift ideas. I hope that this video inspired you. I hope that you like a lot of the items that I chose. And if you like more videos like this, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.